Did I ever ask you to take me shopping in Paris, sailing overseas, and just meet me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay. No, I just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady.
Loves. It's a new day. It's my dad's birthday today. I was just, I woke up in such good spirits. I can say the ashwagandha and L-theanine combo is just doing something. But it's my dad's birthday today, so I'm gonna be getting him some cake and taking it to him and spend the day with him. However, I came across this on the internet. Some lady was just sharing a sentiment. It's saying we are too quick to forgive our exes and our friends, our exes that do us bad, our friends that do us bad, our exes that abuse us. But when it comes to our parents, we don't apply the same energy, especially because our parents are also doing this thing for the first time. So I was thinking to myself that, what, these people are old, they have lived their lives, and there comes a point in your life as an individual that you just need to stop blaming your parents for your life going wrong. Yes, they didn't do what they did or had to do. However, you are in a better place. You are in a different age. Make things happen. Start over. Do something better. Change the narrative. So as someone who grew up as a daddy's girl, we've always, had that relationship with my dad. And he's old now, I feel like, and he's the only link I have to my existence, literally. He met my mom, and ngiyabonga ukuthi uyile waya eWhiteville wayoshela umamami wamcoma bajola, and then kwaba khona thina umamami wasuka eWhiteville wayohlala eDavidson. So I'll forever be grateful for that. And their genes, thank you, because the combo is communicating. You get what I'm saying? So our fit today, I'm wearing a jumper and our brown shoes from Mr. Price, and I'm wearing this coat. This is my mom's coat. So cabanga ngiyobona ex ka mom ne mom. That's so wild. So guys, come with us. And today I'm with Zeli, but they're gonna drop off Lishe when at my dad's. So I'm gonna be probably waiting for Lishe there. So come with us and spend the day with us. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not really sure how old my dad is turning. Don't judge me. He's forever been 60 in my eyes, but I know he's more than that. So today I need to ask him and find out his age. So asambeni guys. Let's go with ngangithasisa mina. Angisho ngizwa bathi nginawo vele mina amadlozi. Bahlezi bangitshela kanjalo.
Yazi khona idlozi like umuntu okujadile idlozi.
ulitshilo ukuthi likhona le dlozi rally likhona oh hayi ungasho kanjalo ungitshela ukuthi ngizoba isangoma vele yeah yeah ngayothwaza ne but lingangivumela ukuthi ngibe nendoda like okay as long as lifuna indoda yeah yo ngiyayithanda ngikwazi ukuphila ngaphandle kwayo sinje yiwo hayi ukuthi nje angisho ayishazini no kodwa umunye ubaba engengaya kuye wathi kimi lo baba lo lo mkhulu lona ungiphethe akafuni amadoda yabo so manje like ngiyazibuza ngathi hayi mina vele nje ngumzali vele mina ngumzalwane like ngibalekele vele into zamadlozi because of that yabo so manje ngiyabona ngoba nini nginokuphupha amanzi yabo ngiphuphe like lezinto lezo so ngiyabona ngathi hayi ne and then inyoka stress man because nginokuphupha ngifake wona like amabaya yabo okay no i-black and then mangiphupha ama beads ngiphupha ama beads are red and white ngiphuphe netawu ibhayileli letawu ngiyasaba okay yeah yes we are stressed manje yeah okay yeah okay yazwa ngikhuluma ngokutshana ngendaba yokuthi like ngiyafuna ukuthi ngibe nendoda ne bengishadile ne fine bangilobolile yabo right sihleli la yabo jiki yathi kwaphela ngalahlekelwa umsebenzi like kwaba imess nje ngingaze kahlangana nalo baba lo vele wangitshela ukuthi hayi wena ushusha amadlo so ngathi mina anyeke umama mkebeka saphila wathi kimi ngisonto lamapostoli yabo ngasonta so yeah and esontweni bese ngisebenza vele sengumamprofita vele so ngagcine ngayeka ngathi hayi so ngoba ngibalekele bazalwane manje yeah yo wena bye yangenzani yo so manje ngiyasaba mina I don't want to like yabona manje nje ngiyabona like yazi ku acceptile ngingabohlele ungasho kanjani and ngasabani ucabanga ukuthi bangangithatha mara ngiyaphi kuwe namhlanje ngarikosta ngathola wena ngathola uhlahluko okay yazi ne ngiyabonga umuntu omdala ngiyabonga kakhulu okay no yazi yeah yo ya wena ngicela uhambe nami ngoba like let's talk tell us oh yazi kuningi So yeah, ne. Yo, I know, but like ngirelieved ngokuthi ungitshela ukuthi ngaba nendumba ngingathwasanga and then ngiphusha izinto zami because vele ngomuntu o make up abantu like ngenza ama lash amazipho ngiyasebenza mina. So angifuni nje into ezongenza ngingasebenzi ngoba yabona nginabantwana. Eish, namanje uyangistressa because ungitshela ukuthi nawe akho bafuna ukuthi usebenze. Uyayibona ukuthi njani?
Manje nje singenze ukuthi at least
That's right. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Guys, I've arrived at my dad's house, so we are here to celebrate his birthday. And he wasn't expecting me to anything. Birthday to how? Thank you. Right, bro. Into zakho lezi baba. Yeah.
Marankomo.
Happy birthday. Aha,
Yo ngithengele newine pop. Shampoo.
Happy birthday. Hayi babi non-alcoholic lena.
Oh.
Ayinatshwala.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Nando sikuthi ungapheki.
Yo, marazi.
Nay, non-alcoholic.
Yo.
Yeah.
Oh.
Non-alcoholic. Hey, how baba? Phela Sunday, Father's Day. Ngapha uzabuhabula la.
Yo. It's nimekta.
Okay.
Yeah. Yo.
Babi sisibeke la.
And I say cheese can be 64 now.
Serious?
Yeah.
Babukhulile yazi.
64.
Babukhulile.
Usasha amancindi.
Yeah, usashaya amancindi. Undi uphi? Oh. Phathele nokudla shema usuze enjoyile ilanga lakho like.
Abantu bazofika.
Hayi shema.
Ngizayemore ngithenge isika amaphilisi.
And ngisikale vele noSmith ngathi thina nozweli siqale khona so sizomela ulihle ke bese yeah. Singibeke la. Ngibeka lezi zinto lezi baba. Angisho sisahleni.
Ungabi nalento ukuthi no.
Hayi baba.
Life man injalo. Like this one.
Yeah, uthanda le.
Since mama kwangithembisa istika.
Baba ngizosiletha. Ngizosiletha. Hey babies, I'm back home. Today was a lovely day. My dad was so happy. Yeah, old men, abamkhulu, like abazali bethu, like they are just abazali bethu, but I'm just happy that I did what was in my heart. And yeah, to see someone smile with a good deed, and it's been a heavy week and I needed the offload. So I just got home. As you can hear, the kettle is boiling. I quickly want to make myself some tea, relax, and there's an email that came through with some documents that I need to fill in. I'm gonna be changing hospices, so I'm gonna be designated to a new hospice. So I just want to go through that information and see what's happening, and then get through that and then see, because literally, yeah, there's just work to be done and I've just been out of contact. However, I need to, guys, I just hate this thing. I'm tasting soap or perfume in my mouth, and angazi ukuthi sekunjalo na ngabe umntana kaphakela umthakazi uhleli ugrupile ubambelele ngomqhele. Oh guys, nizwile i-consultation engiyitholile from that Uber driver I was using today. Wangihlahluba umuntu izangoma zenu izansuku zokuqina wangidlatluba umuntu wangidlatluba wangitshela indaba zami wathi mina mangivuka ekuseni ngivuka ngikwatile wathi mina mangivuka ekuseni ngivuka namamuthi sonje kuningi so manje ngisayolungisa ngipreparele ukusebenza ngathenda ama-document ngenze but ke ngiyanithanda guys ningakhohlwa ukulike le video ni-subscribe kule channel yonke into i-right i-wrong i-right bye bye. Bafaz, it is a new day today. I woke up very early today. I don't even want to get into the details. All I can say is these are the days that remind me that being a sangoma is literally a full-time job. And also as a sangoma, there's a reason why singazili but siyazinza, siyakuka, just to honor and respect whatever. So I had to leave the house early. I went to the river this morning and I didn't take the kids. They were not going to survive that. But however, I have Iskweliti Senkuku now that I need to honor, which is going to be by the end of the week. I didn't go to the funeral. It was just wild. Being Cinderella, I didn't even want to take calls from nobody. So literally most of the day is all on J. I was just flat out. But I'm just happy that Sebu Madiwe, and so it's now just honoring 10 days, and then after 10 days I'm literally free, and then because very soon being such an I was still thinking about situations around my mom because Mele means something and all of that. So can I just put that one up, manning tenge imbuzi, and do that? So I will do that when time, I will do that very soon, like literally in the coming weeks. So can they just give me a break? So however, I'm home today. Being kotola most of the time. Namanje ngikuvuka because ngiphuza ama flu stats. And then ngiyaza ukusenga futhumala yana. So I'm like, let me make something to eat for lamakunda nelawa. And also I'm a bit hungry as well. So I'm just gonna pop some lasagna in the oven. And I wanted to try out an onion boil. Like I wanna try it out. So we're gonna try it out together. Né? And I'm trying to stay away from alcohol, but I'm craving a mimosa with a dash of pau Pelé. Yes, a dash of pau Pelé. Tim Bunsen. Ngiselenge pau Pelé engaka ne. Ngiselenge pau Pelé engaka. I'm not even in the mood for ice chopes or anything like that because nje angikhalelanga ukudaba, but 11.5 is it's in check ice chopes because I'm a percentage wakhona angakanani man. Oh, so basically the ice chope is 6.5. So ukuthi ngifike la kuzomela ngiphuze ayi2 bese sengiya kakhulu. But also, okay, this is like or is my math not matching? I have no idea. But this is how I'm going to counteract this, right? La it's 4.5. And then la ngizoyiboosta ngale. Bese kuyahlangana kuba yimbumba. Angithi niyabona? Hayi akusini. Ilaboko. Okay, cool. Let's do this. Okay, siyadesha manje. Mele ngipheke phela kube negesi. Ngifaka umklakasi manje. Okay, na ilantoza ipenini yami eshayiba ningakanani. And then bese ke size iflat. Oh, ayikakabi flat. Ithi ngitest ukuthi sise-right. Yeah, guys, this is white wine. You wine white le. What's it serve called? Yeah, 1856. Lona umntwana usesemncane. So lana bafaki orange juice. So mina ngizobancedisa ke izwa nje icabanga isahamba la sengiyafuthumala wena. Okay ke siyadesha ke manje. Okay ke so i-combo le iyasebenza right. Wow. Yo. Ngiyezwa iyehla la. Iyehla la. Hey, strawberries maybe kancane yazi amadlozi alikho idlozi elifuna strawberries. Bafuna abo autumn harvest. Amadlozi afuna abo autumn harvest. Abo Palpele. Abo Tassenbeck. So ngakubona ukuthi ngibuze ihanza. Engimane ngibuze iPalpele. Iwine phela. The barrel van die Bowland. Yeah? 11.5. Ansimane ngithengele enkulu ngoba lezi zingishiya endleleni. No, Leo guys. Leo. No, Ashojan umuntu ondidayifinayo ngemali yakhe angisho. Maniphuza ama-gordons. Niphuza asinjaja ngisho. And mina ngeke uzuphike nami. Angike uzuphike nami. Ngidloze elikhulu. Ngidloze elikhulu. Baba ngibona bengikusamela. So it's again ngicale ngipheke guys before ngilahlekelwa i-timing. Ngimara i-right bese uthi Palpele. Bese uthi Tamiya. Uthi Tamiya. Uthi indleke imnandi lento engiphuza la. Ayifuna straw le. Cheers mntana.
One crazy sweet sensation. You're all that I imagine. No question on my mind. You make it happen. You make it happen. You make it happen. One crazy sweet sensation.
Dimthanda kangangolwandle uyandinqumisa uyandithanda hleze seduze kwami ulisoja ungumntu ebantwini dimthanda kangangolwandle ndithi woyoyo.
It's the one thing about me. I feel like ngibhorekela emabhodini. Why? Just get bored and then I want to cook and eat. But I need to lose weight quickly before my birthday comes because I feel like by the time birthday may figure I'm the person no end. So not necessarily lose weight but get in shape. So yeah. Ngikalela angazi ngenze abantwana beni bayadla ngithi ngiyabona ukuthi ngibafakele kancane kanjani ngiyabakalela ngoba manje bebadla ijuice nama-yogurt because mina if there's one thing I'll do Shem I will cook. Ukupheka ukumenza ovini angivilaphi ngiyapheka mina ngiyapheka. That's why ngithi abantwana bami abanenkinga abafazi bayabashatha bayabatshela ukuthi you don't cook as good as my mom. Yabazi lapho kufana lapho uthi food is bad abaleke umfazi wakhe azodlula kwami. That's how much I will feed you mina. My love language ndokufeeda ndofeeda. If you're a man and I ever cooked for you or you're a man and you see me cooking for you, you'll know that I love you. But if I don't cook for you, I'm done. User. So So iyabhora guys, iyabhora. And ngihlale ngisendini mina, like I think ngenze like lento le ngabona ukuthi my mama is such a homebody, and then like mina naye besiyabangani. So ngifakele lokugula kwakhe because like ngihlale ngisendini, like ukuphuma kwami mele ukuphuma amabhorompita umpho uyaphuma is going outside. Ngihlale ngisendlini, ngifake endlini, ngiyasebenza. Yiyo nje impilo engiyiphilayo, yiyo impilo engiyiphilayo. Uma ngiphumile it's like once in a while, so that's why abafana mabafika bangisho ngaphandle ngiyajumpa because I'm always in the house, and if I'm not in the house, I'm not in the house because ngiyasebenza. So I feel like I'm slowly becoming Elizabeth, but I want to get rid of that because ayikho right lento leyo. Uhlezi sivalele ayikho right. I need to figure out like ngibhale phansi izinto engifuna ukuzenza, like activities I want to do with the kids, things I want to do, go out and all of that. Ayikho right. It doesn't mean just cause ngiphila ngiyi-one, ngi-solo leader. Yeah, Zoe, I'll kick you. I'm gonna come there and I'm gonna leave you guys here alone. So you must live your life, man. Try out new things. I'm also planning that, and I feel like I'm gonna go a new 31-day challenge and challenge myself. I don't know what. I'm still gonna go on the internet, but nothing to do with fitness. Delete me off the page. It's the winter month. And see what's it by the end of that 21 days, how will I be feeling? So I'm waiting for the lasagna. Lasagna ga ingapheka nelanga lonke. Ingapheka le 1 hour. Ngiyadlala guys, but I'm just waiting for the lasagna to get ready. And yeah, so I got a DM from this guy. This guy says useluku maximum ne. Okay, uthi bane prayer what nge-27, and then babize nabantwana besikolo yabo. Ngathi nje ngizitholile izibozwa mina. Athi uyangi-invite ukuthi ngize ngizokhuluma nabantwana bamantombazana abazobe bakhona lapho, because bona their stance is to just bacishe indaba ye-crime nani. So mina akangazi ubhuti, and mina into ehlangane nejele ngiyayizaba. Nginale fear le, angazi bayibiza le fear phobia le, ukusaba ijele. But angizani nje ijele. And weske manje sengijwazile ngizanguma vele ukusondela kwami ejele yabo. The last time ngizondela ejele was because of umfana. Azange bojwe mina. Beke bojiwe yena. You understand? It's like close focus. Umandoza. Umandoza. Mama yazi pesuko. I wasn't nervous. Let's pillar. So he's inviting me to come and give words of Ndondon. Guys, mina ngale BBL yamle sengiyaphakathi lapha ngiyopha abantwana ama-words woku-encourage mina. Angifuni lento leyo, angeke ngiyenze even if unamanga, but like it's not even part of my things, and I don't know like yini ngizi-attractele indoda ezingizigema, indoda esejele. Like for the fact ngizonibonisa guys i-screenshot, ngizospace la nginibonisa ukuthi ngizosketch out igama lakhe nje kuphela, but nginibonise yena. So nginesimemo esikhulu guys, ngiyibonisa ngizakwazi mina ngeke ngangena lapha ngizaphuma bazongigraba bonke. Angeke God, angeke literally for the whole 3 weeks after that ngaloko ngiphuphana ngizijele, ngiphuphana nama-inmates, and bakhona ke abahle. Hayi no, bakhona abahle abababayo abayenza izinto ezenzakalayo, but it's not my caliber. It's not my caliber. Like no, it's not my caliber. I'm begging you direction into the any prison record, into the any into the orange. Angiyidlali yo game. Angiyidlali yo game because mina. Hayi no, angiyidlali. Into the dangerous. Angiyidlali. one into them and dangerous, because other than that, I give it baby. Yes, guys, ngicabanga ngale sugar jar lene. This one was literally those things that I needed to get done. So I feel like I want to make a new honey jar. So I'm gonna dispose of this correctly because I'm lazy to dig. I am going to put this inside a pot plant here, and then I'm gonna make a new honey jar. Because the plant I had in Alendumine, I literally removed it. So if you want to get rid of your honey jar and start a new one, or sugar jar, you can bury it as is. But if you don't have a jar, you can actually dispose of this and give it back to the earth. So I'm gonna put this in the pot plant ekhona la ngaphandle bese ngenza a honey jar. Actually, I can't.
Now the light has left the dark, I feel when I reach for him and he's not here. Many times have come when he is gone, yet I find the strength to carry on. But then I turn around and everything is changed. He will reach for me and lay his hands upon my face. But when I feel his touch, my love will overflow. He is real to me. Now I know he is the joy in my morning, in my evening. Every day I feel the joy when I'm lonely. Something told me he's my guiding light. He is the joy.
Guys, I'm done. I'm going to fill this up later because I need to be able to talk into it, do some spell work and anything of that sort. So it's things that I can't do while I'm recording myself because it takes away from the experience. I need to be in my Zen mode, and I want to do that later because so all of this that I've written down, I'm literally gonna put it into a jar, and then I'm gonna put honey in it. So I wanted to come show you a honey jar I did in January. Literally, I did this on the 31st, right? I did 2 jars, but this one is smaller and compact, and I'm able to just move it around, put it in the sun, flip it, shake it, and all of that. So this is how it looks, right? I've shown you this, but this jar, I literally, swear by it because I did a big one, but this one I think has got a lot because you can see all the things I scripted and wrote down and stuff. It even has sugar. There's also cinnamon inside of it. So I did this jar is literally it's June years old. This year is June years old. So I think by the time I'm done with it, I will bury it in the ground. So I don't think I'll reuse this jar again. However, jars are very good ways to quicken your manifestation, to put things into place and all of that. And trust me, the way my life has been going this year, you'd swear like I just quantum leaped, I changed timelines. It's just wild, I also feel like a different person. I look like a different person, and I'm also grateful for pouring into myself, and it's still a continuous journey of healing. So I retouched this, I put it in the sun, and also the honey just melt up, and I'm able to shake it and turn it around. So every now and then I turn it around. I just put it on my window. So the more it's being recharged, I'm just seeing things are just happening. It's just beautiful to watch. So I'm gonna complete this honey jar, and I'm gonna put it into a jar like you saw, that's similar like these ones. I got these jars at Westpac, but if you're looking for jars like these, you can get them at Westpac. So I think the lasagna is almost, I don't know what's happening in the kitchen, but I'll go check just now. But I think the lasagna is almost ready, and I'm so happy that my day is literally gonna be ending early, because I just want to sit and be in the zone and be in the zone. Okay, so okay, let's go to the kitchen and check our lasagna. Okay, I'm nervous on my behalf. It's actually looking very good. Okay, so I feel like I'm gonna keep that in there for a while. I'm not satisfied. I just feel like it has to go on. But bingala ukuthenga ilasagna le yase Checkers, because ngijayele ukuthenga le yase Bullets. I wonder epoch bayayenza ilasagna. Mina ngiyochecka ukuthi epoch bayayenza ilasagna na. Siyotesta ilasagna yase box. And abanye that I've tasted the lasagna, what is this pizza place? This pizza place with blue boxes, Romans, the lasagna slabs. So yeah, the lasagna slab. So ngicela nikhulume nabantu basebox nabase KitKat ukuthi bayenze ilasagna. Guys, iclass lesithuleli ne. Asijajani. Asijajani kunokuthi ngiphe minyawuphi nikhethana. Nina nikhethana. Nikhethana. Mina ngikhetha le angikhethi inyawuphi. Guys, the weather is so pretty. These birds. Ngikhohle ukuthenga ukudla kwenyoni njengoba bengihambile ngithenga izinto and ngiyazishaja, but ngitryile ukusifakela izinkwa ne-rice, but ngiyazithengela ukudla. I feed birds, guys. This is an old tradition I took from ugogo lo engimthwasile. So ngithe mangiyiqala ngiyenza lento le, everybody was like, oh, wenza njengonkomo. But there's just a good spiritual significance to having a feed for birds, basically. Uyayenza nje lento leyo, especially Kyle and Malinomsam, uyayenza lento leyo. It's a good thing to do. So I feel like mili Checkers food angazi ngizoyanini, but mili ngiyekho zizilambile and ngathi zimagana kuhle ziyabona and nazo sesijwayele, so mili ngizifunela ukudla. So yeah. Hey, but first, something just crossed my mind. It crossed my mind. But first, I think there's a girl. Growing up, I was that child, ne? Like, onempundu ezinkulu. So growing up, I was bullied a lot, ne, for my bums by amantombazana engikhule nawo. I remember they were giving me all kinds of names. There was even a time where I was called Usara Bartman because of my big bums. So impundu zam zinto endifumane from my grandmother, my dad's mom. She had a natural BBL. Ugokwam was that girl yokuthi impundu zakhe, the way bezizinkulu ngakhona, like bezinkulu, ne, you could put a cup ubeke nesosar, ubeke nama-choice assorted esosarin unje uphuze. Like, she had a bum. She was well endowed. So ibody yam is-structureless ngisithatha kubo. So kuba namabele amancane, but phansi sibakhulu, yabo, sibakhulu in terms of the bum. So ngithathele kubo mina ibody le, yabo. So mangikhula, guys, mina bengicalwa because of ngempundu enkulu. Bengize nginamahloni mangigcokile ngihlezi like impahla zami ngiyazidonsa, ngitry ukuhide impundu yami because ngiyayazi ukuthi angisho inkulu. And then sometimes uthole kune attention from like older guys in the community, in the area, because the bona they could see that this one has got an ass, you know. But ndandimncane at that time, you know. And that's when I transitioned. I started being tomboyish and started wearing baggy clothes, things that are not tightening my clothes because of my bum, and trying to hide that. Also, I inherited a beautiful body from her. My mom had a body. She had a body for days. Ne, but impund, they come from my dad's side. But the structure it's my mom. My mom in her younger days, her pictures, small waist, that's me. But her bums, bam. If maneka gugo kwam, but kapu mama banebele ge mina nginalo bangishile angazi why mama wayiningqishi bele why cause ngiyayifuna ibele. So anyway, so I was in that position yokuba my bum was something that made me independent, low self-confidence. So ekukhuleni kwami I was more tomboyish. Bengilomntana lo owenza ama eskeli, zobkhathi, you know, yabo, anything to hide my bum. Even at school, wearing pants without a blazer was a problem for me. I started embracing my ass, or my bum rather. I think it was when this whole culture of having a big ass was a big thing. That's when I think I started embracing my ass. For the fact that people pay money. Yeah, I think when Bona Kim K, the Brazilian button was starting to come in, I started now seeing that, oh my gosh, I have an acid, you know. And there was a friend of mine, my childhood best friend, Umbali, would always hype me up and say, you have a beautiful body, have a big ass, you have this thing. And I only realized this at a later stage, that actually I have a beautiful body. I've actually been downplaying that because how I was taught to accept my body, how I was bullied for having the body I had. People are paying monies just to have the bum I naturally have. You feel? So I've got 2 kids. I'm not a gym bunny, you guys know. But I'm just grateful for my genes that my body somehow manages to snap back. Yeah, I understand that. My tiny waist will always be the only downside about having a tiny waist, a small upper frame, is that when it comes to pregnancy, your spine shifts and all those things. But I love my body. My small breasts, you know, I don't have a big breast. I'm not a breasted person. But ndingla girl with 32, 34. Understand? Ngilapo 34. I don't go like, I'm proud of my breasts because I know my mom had big breasts and we got suffer again and back, you understand, because of the breasts. However, the downside to having a big ass is the back. The heavier the ass, the more unbearable the back. There are things I can't do because I have a big ass. I would have loved to run the marathon, but because the ass, the weight, it's there. So Mina, I can lose weight and try and do all these things, but the junk is there. And mina ngilo muntu lokuthi mangeni weight, i-weight iyalapha empundu nasemathanga. So mabona impundu yami inkulu kakhulu, mathanga amakhulu makhulu. That's where I honestly gain weight. So if I want to be big, and then I have to start eating a lot, ngiphuza ama appetito, because that will grow my bum. Because la phezulu anginoni, guys, I don't know ukuthi nga-explain kanjani. Mhlambe ingalo zami zingaba nkulu, but anginoni ngale ndlela ukuthi awusangirecognize. Ukunona ubona amathanga wami. Mama futhi bekasangangitshela kahle. So mangibona abantu abanjengabozodwa wabantu, they're embracing their bodies, you know, all this. Like, it just makes you realize that we honestly have taken what media has pushed in our faces as a perfect body, you know. Like, I have 2 kids, I have a fupa, you know. I would love to have a flat stomach, but when I think about going under the knife, ndoyiga sana. I would love to have a breast lift, but ndoyiga, like nala fear, you know. I don't know what it is, but I don't know if are we looking at our bodies and projecting on them because they are not society perfect, or because when you're judging yourself so much. Look at Lizzo. Lizzo ngiyamthanda ke guys. I love Lizzo. Lizzo is loves her body. Lizzo is a big girl, but she loves her body. So I think the more you look down on your body, then that's what people will project. But if you look at your imperfections as perfections, people will also relate to the same message. However, if you want to go under the knife and fix what needs to be fixed, if the money is there, go and do it. And go and do it. Mina anzuqoka guys. Xa kufika la opportunity yokuba ndiyosika ibele, ndizosikibele lihlale la. Ibele lami lithi up. Zakulibeka apha ibele. When the opportunity arises for me to get I forgot what they call this, because I did try working out. I tried on and andinamdla guys, because the thing is now that these influencers go get these surgeries and come back and become workout influencers, fitness influencers, where they are selling a lie to you. So it's either your options are in this world, go under the knife and maintain, or either embrace your body as is. Like, even after having my kids, my mom gave, with the stretch marks and tontoni, she gave me a remedy. It's spirit, it's glycerin, ni tissue oil, lese pep. My mom was a pro that begang mixela. Bengiyigcoba makabona ukuthi ngipreg bengigcobisa lento le. That's why umzimba wami ama stretch marks wami awekho bad ngale ndlela, but akhona bad awekho bad, but my mom was a focused hand man. So my chat to you is that love yourself as you are. But if the opportunity presents itself for you to fix yourself for you. You know, understand? Because anything you do is for you. Like, it is for you. Tina, at the end of the day, the minute I switch off my phone, I've forgotten about you. I'm no longer thinking about you. You know, people have different reasons. They bleach their hair. People lighten their skin. People do whatever it is that you want. If you can afford it, do it. Do it. I fixed my teeth. I was battling my teeth my whole life. Jonathan, I fixed my teeth. Now I think I just want to fix my, because I don't want to lie to you. I mean, I'm not a fitness fan. I don't think, even if I were to go under the knife, the only thing I'd go to at a gym is just that I don't want to look like Hulk Hogan. Mna. Be feminine, be soft. So our standard of beauty is just so crazy. But at the end of the day, people will talk. Wanna just do what you want. The better you look, the better life gets for you. That's what I've realized. The better you look, the better life goes for you. So, and as back teta mna okanye kuthetha umphalala phe. Aw, the original Perel van die Boland. Ay. It is served cold. Badian goat. 100% grapes. This is the original wine, okay, guys. Original. Established 1856. Obupi 1856. Obupi 1856. And yes, but you're not anywhere close. So I still have bottles on bottles. Apa Endumbeni. There's an email address here. consumercare@distel.co.za. I must, but he returned for deposit. I didn't know this. Where do we return? Guys, it's 7:50. No, I want to write them an email and tell them that, wow, what's a peculiar produce. Guys, but I'm going to literally rest, and rest. Probably this vlog should be up because tomorrow I'm doing laundry, and I also want to be busy with a few things, prepare for the week that's coming. I should be going to work on Wednesday. Just touch base with anything that I need to do. So I just want to stay off my phone, Gomso, because I just need to be productive. However, I saw there's a there's a cot I got, and it's still very new. And istrola sakhe singale ndumbeni kune room ngale estora kulizinto, and then there's a walker also, there's stuff in there. So there's a lady that came to the podcast. I don't know if you remember the first episode we did on Mommy Podcast. So I did let her know that I would like to give her these things. So I think this week I need to try and take these things to her, so that as Tole, and yeah, because the strollers, I don't like keeping these things. My mom used to always say that if you keep izinto zomntwana sekamdala, you are basically telling the universe that you are making way for a new baby. And that's exactly what happened with Lihle. I kept Zweli's stroller, I kept Zweli's walker, I kept most of the things, even baby clothes. So I ended up being pregnant again. So this is my signal to the universe that I'm not planning to have a child again. Literally $0. So if you've watched the vlog until this far, it means you love me. No, you love me. No, admit it. Same part, I love you. I love you too. Weekend yamadlozi, guys. I've trapezed to the cave. We are just in and to be quite honest, I'm planning just by Miss Nave. Like years ago, yeah, look okay, so I just feel like I'm gonna do that, and then I think I'll see you on the next vlog. Give me a couple of days to recoup as well. I think I've also been going through a lot and also sharing myself with you, and I feel like, I value our relationship, so in a couple of days to just get back on track, get my energies on track, and at the end of the day, but have a productive new week and have a lovely weekend. I don't know when you're going to see this vlog, but whenever I get uploaded. And from me to you, it's nothing but love and light. You are highly appreciated on this channel, and please don't forget to watch the ads. They're important on the channel. So, and that's about it. I'm now going to go to the Ipao Pele. But before I start blabbing and saying things, I'm literally going in the house now. Ngeze bese ngiyaphaka siyadla. To be quite honest, angina appetite. I think ngizobaphakela lasagna lane, in the fridge, and kusasa ngiyawasha, and also ngifuna ukwenza izinto zala endlini ngikhanyise ngenzeni. It's just been a heavy week, and I think I just need ukuthi ngilungise and ngamukele, kundlule, guys. But Alfianine, Ashwagandha, they're doing the things that they need to do, and a little bit of Power Play. So let's see you guys. Good December. Power Play. If you need ambassador, Nance, this is Sangoma. Guys, I'm gone. I love you. Bye.